Finding the reciprocal of 2 over 5 raised to the power of 3. In this video, I am solving for you part 1 of question 4 from the exercise 5.1 of the chapter 5 called Exponents of the Cambridge Class 7 Mathematics textbook called Mathsma 7. If you want to learn how to find the reciprocal of the exponential form of a number, then click the link of the video at the end of this video, which is the video lecture of the solve of part 2 of question 4 of this same exercise 5.1. The link of the PDF file of the detailed description of this lecture is given in the description box below and in the comment below. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon if you want to get updates on the solves of the other questions of this same exercise 5.1 of the Cambridge Class 7 Mathematics textbook Mathsma 7. Thanks a lot for watching this lecture and see you in the next lecture. Take care.